Yes, have I explained droplet wala sum? N spherical droplets charged to same potential V, and droplet are charged to same potential V, are combined to form a big drop. What is voltage of new drop? So larger drop, voltage V naught. See, whenever it is problem of drop becoming droplet or droplet combining to become drop, so first always find relation between their radius. Volume of n droplets is equals to volume of one big drop. That means n into 4 by 3 pi r cube will be 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi I can cancel. N raised to 1 by 3 into small r equals to capital R. Now voltage of general voltage of a sphere is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon charge upon distance. So voltage of small to the large will be Q upon capital Q into radius of large upon radius of small. So V of small upon V of large is Q. This Q charge adds to become capital Q. So it is nothing but N times Q. And capital R is N raised to 1 by 3 small r into R. This will get cancelled. So I can say V of large is N upon N raised to 1 by 3 V of small. Therefore, V of large is N raised to 2 by 3 V of small. So this formula, if you memorize, you can do any MCQs within just 30 seconds. So when N droplet combines to form single drop, then V of large is N raised to 2 by 3 V of smaller one. Here it is option D. Right. Completed now?
Yes, sir.
60 years. At a distance of 5 and 10 centimeter from the surface. See, actually distance is taken from the center. They are telling 5 and 10 from the surface. 5 and 10 from the surface. That means if I take radius r, it will become r plus 5 for one point, r plus 10 for other point. Potentials are 600 and 420 volt. The potential on the surface of sphere is how much? So potential here we want. We know potential is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon charge upon distance from the center. So first potential upon second potential is second distance upon first distance, which is here r plus 10 upon r plus 5. So V1 is given 600, V2 is 420, r plus 10 upon r plus 5. 6 into 10, 6 into 742. So 10r plus 50 equal to 5r plus 70. That will become 7r. So it will be 3r equal to 20. That means r is 20 by 3. So with first and second information I got r. Now V1 upon which we want, I'm taking V3, will be R3 upon R1. R3 is radius because at surface we want. R1 is R plus 5. Now V1 is 600. V3 we want. R is 20 by 3. This is 20 by 3 plus 5. That will be 600 upon V3 is 20 by 3. 20 and 15. 35 by 3. 3 will become cancel. So 600 upon V3 is 20 upon 35. 20 into 30 is 600. Therefore, V3 equals to 3 into 550, 1050 volt. 1050 volt is V3. Option D. Done?
Yes, sir.
61. An electric charge of 10 raised to minus 3 microcoulomb is situated at origin of XY coordinate system. 2 points A and B are situated at root 2, root 2 and 2, 0. Find the potential difference between A and B. To get potential difference, what we require? Charge and distance first. So distance of A from origin, that means where charge is situated, will be root 2 square plus root 2 square and square root of that. So can I say it will be 2? Yes, can I say?
Yes, sir.
And RB is also 2. So potential at A is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R at A. Potential at B is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon R at B. RA, RB is same, charge is same. So can I say VA is same as VB? So difference of potential will be 0. Important, sir. Potential difference will be 0. Option A. Completed? Yes, I think done. Okay. 62. In the electric field of point charge Q, a certain charge is carried from A to B, A to B, then to C, then to D, then to E. Now, if it is surface of equipotential, then potential at A, B, C, D all are same. VA is same as VB, same as VD, same as V. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Then what will be difference of potential? 0. Work done
Yes, sir.
to move the charge from one point to another is potential difference between 2 points. Now potential difference is 0. So work done will be 0. So I can say work done will be 0. 0 along all the paths. That means option C. Because all the points are on equipotential surface. Done this also?
Yes, yes, sir.
Next is if an electron. See, when you complete, please tell louder so that we can move ahead and 3-4 more sums we can do rather than sitting idle. If an electron is brought towards another electron, electron is brought towards another electron. That means it is moved against repulsion or along the force. Negative is brought near negative. Means what?
Means
Work is done against repulsive force. Correct
yes,
or
sir.
not? If
Yes, sir.
work is done against repulsive force, then potential will increase. Then potential increases. Now I don't know what option they are given. Check potential increases word hai. Then the potential energy of the system will increase. A option. Three charges Q plus Q plus Q are placed at vertices of right angle isosceles triangle as shown. What net electrostatic energy of the system of configuration is zero, then what is capital Q? This is isosceles right angle triangle. That means this is A, this is A, this distance is root 2A, charges placed are plus Q, Q and Q. What is that Q ka value if all the total energy is zero? So potential energy of system of three charges, comma, U is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon distance between 1 and 2, Q1 Q3 distance between 1 and 3, Q2 Q3 distance between 2 and 3. That means what I did see. Potential is work done to move the charge. If this charge is Q1 and Q2 is moved, then potential at distance R is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 upon R. अभी Q2 से multiply कर दो, work मिलेगा. Work मतलब potential energy. So that's why this is formula obtained for system of three charges. But they are saying this should be 0. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. If I call this as first charge, this as second charge, this as third charge, then Q1, Q2 is QQ and distance is A. Q1, Q3 is again QQ and distance is root 2A. Q2, Q3 is small QQ, distance is A. So throughout A I can bring it outside. Small q also can be brought outside. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, one small q outside, A outside, inside it will be q by 1 plus q by root 2 plus small q by 1. Now this whole thing goes on that side, becomes 0. So 0 equals to q plus q by root 2 plus q. So I can say minus q equals to q common 1 plus 1 upon root 2. Therefore, capital Q is minus q upon 1 plus root 2. Let me check whether option they have given in same manner. No, it is simplified form. So minus q, B is the correct option if you arrange it properly. Here I'm writing final. So we can say therefore q is minus q root 2 plus 1 upon root 2. This root 2 will go up. So q is minus q root 2 upon root 2 plus 1. If I multiply this by root 2 and divide by root 2, so I will get q equals to minus 2 into small q, root 2 into root 2 is 2 plus root 2, which is option B. Everybody has followed this up?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Done, sir.
Work done in carrying charge of 5 microcoulomb from a point A to point B in an electric field is 10 millijoule. What is VB minus V? So potential difference between B and E is work done to move from A to B upon charge. 10 milli is 10 raised to minus 3. 5 micro is minus 6. So 2 into 10 raised to 3 volt, which is 2 kilovolt, option A. Done?
Done, sir.
Okay, 66. A body of mass 1 gram carrying charge of 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb passes through 2 points P and Q. P and Q are at potential of 600 volt and 0 volt. Potential is decreasing, that means it is in the direction of Q. If the velocity of body at point Q is 20 centimeter per second, then what is velocity at? See, mass given, velocity given. What hints your mind? Mass, velocity given. What is hinting in your mind?
Kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy in half mv square. अब ये 600 वोल्ट से 0 वोल्ट पे गया तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी कम हुआ क्या ज्यादा हुआ?
सर कम हो.
कम हुआ क्योंकि वोल्टेज ज्यादा होगा तो वोल्टेज बढ़ते जाएगा. सो आई कैन से हाफ m v q square minus vp square. So decrease is nothing but q into difference of voltage.
Yes, sir.
अब ये हाफ m is 1 gram, so 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram. Vq square minus Vp square will be Q. Q is 10 raised to minus 8 into 600. Charge into voltage is called as kinetic energy. So we can say therefore Vq square minus Vp square, 2 goes that side, 1200 into 10 raised to minus 8 upon 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore Vq square minus Vp square is 12 into 10 raised to minus 6, 10 raised to minus 3, which is 0.012. So Vp square will be Vq square minus of 0.012. That will give Vp square is 2 into, answer is centimeter or meter, let us check. Answer is in meter. So 20 centimeter is 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 square minus 0.012. So this will become 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus 0.01. Therefore Vp square is 0.04 minus 0.01. So Vp square is 0.028 meter. Therefore Vp is root of 0.028. That is option A. Simple concept, kinetic energy in half m velocity. Kinetic is also charge into potential difference. That two concept I have equated. Any doubt? Hello? Any doubt in your mind? Anywhere hindrance?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Electric potential at point P is given by minus x square y minus x z square z cube plus 4. The entire field E bar at that point will be how much? So because P is function depending upon three variable, so first you will find Ex, which is partial derivative of P with respect to x, negative of that. That means minus of derivative of all this. When you are taking derivative with respect to x, that means except x, rest all are constant. So this is minus x derivative is 2x constant minus z cube x derivative is 1. So we get, and this is 0. Ex equals to minus minus plus 2xy plus z cube. Ey is partial derivative of v with respect to y. So minus of only y is variable. So it is minus x square, y is 1. Then 0, 0 because rest all are constant. So we get x square. Ez is minus dv upon dz minus of xy both constant 0. Here 3z square into x plus 0. So Ez will be 3 times x z square. So now E vector is Ex I cap plus Ey j cap plus Ez k cap. So it is 2xy plus z cube I cap plus x square j cap plus 3xz square k cap. Check this option. Option D. Tomorrow 7 to 8 I can take for you evening. 7 to 8.
Fine, sir.
Doubt solving 7 to 8.
Okay, sir.
Evening 7 to 8. Everybody is done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 68. Figure shows points A, B, and C in the region of uniform field, and field is going on the right side. That means when you travel in the direction of field, potential will decrease. This surface is perpendicular to E. That means it is equipotential surface. And this is C. So clear cut I can see VA will be same as VB, will be greater than VC. Check option. VA equal to VB greater than VC, that is nothing but V. 69. Equipotential surfaces are shown in the figure, then electric field strength will be what? With angle also they want. This is famous sum for JEE mains. Electric equipotential surfaces are as shown. Electric field we want. This is 10 volt, then 20 volt, then 30 volt. This angle is 30. Distance is 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter mark. Can you tell me, this is first one, suppose second one, third one, because potential is increasing, so it is opposite to the field or in the direction of field?
In the direction of field.
No, opposite. इधर अभी किया ना एक, in the direction बताया ना, voltage कम होता है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो ये opposite हुआ ना?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
So field इसका opposite है, मतलब इधर increasing है तो field उल्टा जाएगा. And field is always perpendicular to the equipotential surface. I have explained you all.
Yes.
Field is perpendicular to equipotential surface.
Yes, sir.
तो मुझे एक तो आइडिया आ गया, ये फील्ड का डायरेक्शन इसका उल्टा, ये राइट ये लेफ्ट है. What angle it is making with x-axis in anti-clockwise? 120 degree.
Yes, sir.
डायरेक्शन तो मुझे मिल गया 120 डिग्री विद x-axis. अभी मैग्नीट्यूड देखता हूँ. E is dv by dx. dv is 20 minus 10. dx is this perpendicular distance. ये एंगल 30, तो ये भी 30. ये डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? Will it be 10 sin 30? Not followed?
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
10 sin 30 because ये 10, ये 20, total distance 10, वो hypotenuse है अपना. तो 30 का सामने वाला side will be 10 sin 30. So it will be 10 centimeter, convert into meter, sin 30 half. So 2 will go up into 10 raised to plus 2. So 200 volt per meter, making 120 degree with x-axis, that is option C. Very famous for JEE.
Done, sir.
Sum number 70. An infinite conducting plate. See, when conducting plate given means there is no field. Field cannot be passing through conductor. So here field is 0. An infinite conducting plate of thickness 0.02 meter is surrounded by uniform field. Surrounded by uniform field of value 400 volt per meter. Directed from left to right as shown. The potential V0 is 0. What will be V3? The potential 0.03 to the left of the plane. This point potential V1, this surface. See, whenever you are in the direction of field, potential is decreasing. Ulta increasing. No field, constant. If no field, then it is constant. So between these 2 points, you are going from left to right. So potential किसका ज़्यादा है? V1 greater or V2 greater? V0 greater? V1 greater ना, because it is on left side.
Yes, sir.
So can I say E is potential difference upon distance between them? Okay. E is 400. V1 I don't know. V0 is given 0 and dx is 0.0. So 8 equals to V1 first order. Now, if no field, then V1, V2 are same, which is 8 volt. Then for third part, again E is V3 minus V2 upon distance. So 400 is V3 minus 8 upon 0.03. So 12 equals to V3 minus 8. V3 is 24. Again important sum we did. V3 24. Fine. The option.
Done, sir.
So today we stop here. Tomorrow 7 to 9 is convenient for everybody
Yes, sir.
because 30 more sums are there that I have to complete for Sunday's test. Sunday you have MCQ test of entire chapter. So we'll stop here. Extra class 7 to